this problem we want to find the indicated value of each function. So we got f of x is equal to 4x minus 2. And first thing we want to find is f of negative x. Now it doesn't matter if you have numbers or whatever, when you're evaluating a function it's always the same. You go back to your original function, where your x is you put in parentheses. So we got 4 times parentheses minus 2. Now whatever is inside of parentheses right here is automatically what you put in right here. That's negative x, so I'll put in negative x here. 4 times negative x is negative 4x, and then I'll bring down to minus 2, and that's our answer. Now b, we want to find f of x minus 3. Again, it's the same on every problem. You always go back to your original function, replace your x's with parentheses. So I got 4 times parentheses minus 2. Now whatever's inside the parentheses right here is automatically what we put in right here. So I'll put in x minus 3. Now we're going to use a distributive property. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 minus 2, which gives us 4x minus 14. Now c, we want to find f of 4x. Again, I go back to my original function, where my x is, I put in parentheses. So we've got 4 times parentheses minus 2. Whatever is inside of parentheses right here is automatically what we put in right here. So we'll put a 4x there. Well, 4 times 4x is 16x, and then I'll bring down to minus 2. And that's our answer for part C. Now d is negative f of x. This one's a little bit tricky, because what's inside the parentheses is an x. Well, f of x we already know is 4x minus 2. So we're going to bring down a negative, and then we'll put in the 4x minus 2 with parentheses around it. Because this negative out in front has the flip sign of everything that follows it. Well, remember, a negative out in front of your parentheses flips the sign of everything inside, so this becomes a negative 4x plus 2. And e, we want to find f of x plus h. And again, this is just evaluating a function, so we're going to go back to our original function, the 4x minus 2, and we'll replace the x with a set of parentheses. So we've got 4 times parentheses minus 2. Now whatever is inside the parentheses right here is automatically what you'll put in right here. So we'll put in x plus h. Distributive property, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times h is 4h, and then I'll bring down to minus 2. And those are our answers.